This video will show you how to reset your engine oil life monitor on a Toyota Matrix. This will all be done from inside of your passenger compartment. Let's get into it. So let's get started on resetting that monitor. I'm going to take my key and put it in the on position, just 2 clicks, without the vehicle running. Now we're paying attention up along the center of our dash, right where our odometer should be. We want to be on the odometer setting, not on a trip setting. So we'll just make our way to our button. We can press that as necessary. Now I can see the odometer setting. At this point, I'm going to turn off key power. I'm going to press on that button. While holding it in, let's turn on key power and we're going to focus on where the odometer reading is. You should find some dashes. At the same time as those dashes count down to 1 and then 0, the maintenance light should go out. Let's turn this 2 clicks. Perfect. As you can tell, the maintenance light did go out on this side right here. Let's go ahead and turn off key power, and then we're going to attempt to start the vehicle. We want to make sure that the maintenance light stays out. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.